see them right there. That's the power line that started from up the road there, and all of that is still burning.
So within minutes, our whole neighborhood was covered in smoke, and we were just fighting not to get out of here. So, and then the trees fell, so we had to like make our way around wherever we could.
That's what was weird, that like usually they put on the hurricane sirens or they do something to like warn us. Nothing. Like everyone was just word of mouth evacuating. That's why so many people were just on Front Street, just hanging out. Like they were helpless.
The sun was setting, so it's getting dark. And then all of a sudden, I seen a thick bellow of smoke come behind the property, and the thing just stood up because the winds was just like whipping. I thought like the fire was going towards the ocean, but then it went north, which came around my house area. So I saw it come up behind the house, and then I could see it glow, the flames. Like I thought it was like another sun coming out.